Hello. In this video I will show you how to get always on display on iPhone X and the newer models of the iPhone that do not have this feature, up to the iPhone 14. Now let's get started. Now from the App Store, we write in the search, OLX. Now download the application. Open the application and give it the required permissions. Now let's adjust the application settings before we start adjusting the iPhone settings to run it completely as we want. From this option, we write any sentence or name that we want to appear below the clock and date. From this option, you can choose the shape of the watch, digital or analog. Go to the advanced option and choose the font size for the clock. Now that we have finished adjusting the application settings, let us go to the iPhone settings to complete the method. Now from Settings, select Accessibility. Then, Guided Access. Now open the selection with Face ID. Now go to the application and open it. Then press the power button 3 times in a row. This window will appear, then click Start. Enter your password twice. Now it's done. Now to unlock the iPhone, press the power button twice in succession and look at the iPhone, and the iPhone will unlock with Face ID. If he presses 3 consecutive clicks, it will open with your password. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. See you soon.